Coriander essential oil aids in weight loss by promoting lipolysis, breaking down fats and cholesterol, and is less harmful than liposuction. Its digestive properties make it a popular choice for digestive issues. Consuming coriander water in the morning improves digestion and boosts metabolism, making it a valuable addition to weight loss strategies. Coriander oil, containing terpineol and terpinolene, is an analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent that reduces pain, treats toothaches, headaches, joint and muscle pain, and injuries. It also eases swelling in joints and muscles, reduces pain from menstrual cramps, and manages arthritis pain. Coriander essential oil is a potent anti-inflammatory, aiding in the fight against inflammation and discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate chronic inflammation, such as arthritis, and provide relief for joint pain and swelling. Regular use of coriander essential oil can be a crucial part of a holistic approach to managing inflammatory conditions. Coriander oil is a gentle stimulant that can help with fatigue and emotional exhaustion by promoting relaxation and joy. It can also alleviate anxiety and stress by combining it with other uplifting essential oils like lemon, bergamot, ginger, and grapefruit. Coriander seeds and essential oil can help alleviate indigestion symptoms by cooling inflammation and promoting nutrient absorption. They also soothe the gastrointestinal tract, promoting proper digestion and relieving common issues. Incorporating coriander essential oil into a wellness routine can be beneficial. Coriander essential oil is a calming remedy for stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation and mental well-being. Its incorporation into relaxation practices or aromatherapy routines can enhance emotional balance and overall well-being. Coriander oil, used regularly through aromatherapy or topical application, can aid in cholesterol management, contributing to cardiovascular health and complementing other health strategies. Coriander seeds can maintain insulin activity by reducing glucose levels, as they restoratively affect the endocrine glands, enabling uplift of insulin secretion in the pancreas, thereby minimizing blood sugar levels. The coriander plant has distinct flavors, with seeds having an earthy taste and leaves being pungent and citrus-like. Both can be used in baked goods, pickled vegetables, rubs, roasted vegetables, and lentil dishes. Seeds can be ground for pastes and doughs, while leaves are best used for garnishing soup, pasta salads, lentils, tomato salsa, or Thai noodle dishes. Coriander oil is a natural remedy for gas, a common cause of death. It relieves pain in the intestines, stomach, chest, and muscles, eliminating excess gas and inhibiting further formation. Regular use is recommended for a healthy lifestyle. Coriander extract, rich in antioxidants, is nearly as effective as common anxiety medication diazepam in reducing symptoms, improving memory, and reducing brain inflammation. Coriander essential oil can alleviate spasmodic cramps, coughs, nervous cramps, convulsions, and other physical and mental issues, allowing individuals to focus on sports and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Coriander essential oil stimulates body nerves and circulation, aiding in treating rheumatism and arthritis. It also aids in releasing body heat, particularly from exercise, particularly for those involved in sports, yoga, or aerobics. This oil can inhibit fungus growth, effectively treating fungal infections and various skin diseases, including dysentery, often caused by fungal growth, and potentially alleviate symptoms of dysentery. Coriander essential oil can enhance married life by increasing libido, preventing impotency, and promoting erectile dysfunction. It can also stimulate hormones that activate the sleeping cupid, resulting in a frisky or naughty mood ready for bedroom fun. It may also help with general sex loss and temporary impotency. Coriander seeds, rich in nutrients like niacin, riboflavin, carotene, folic acid, vitamin A, and C, have a high calcium content, aiding in bone strengthening and preventing arthritis naturally. Coriander seeds oil promotes healthy digestion, reduces bloating and discomfort in irritable bowel syndrome, and reduces abdominal pain. Its extract is used as an appetite stimulant, antiseptic, and increases digestive system secretions, improving appetite. Coriander's stimulating scent induces energy and alertness, making it beneficial for mild depression, anxiety, sadness, and stress. Its uplifting effect is particularly beneficial for those experiencing stress from daily routines. Coriander oil, an essential oil, protects the heart from blockages and improves blood flow. It dilutes blood, enhances its life, and acts as a diuretic. Consuming coriander seeds can decrease LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol, potentially lowering heart disease rates. Coriander seeds contain antioxidants that shield the skin from free radicals, which can cause aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Regular use of coriander seeds can maintain a youthful appearance, protect the skin from environmental pollutants, and shield it from UV radiation. Coriander oil, rich in chemicals, can enhance brain health by nourishing neurons and strengthening meninges, protecting against inflammatory disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and preventing nerve cell damage from drug-induced seizures, memory, anxiety, and depression. Coriander oil acts as a detoxifier or blood purifier, removing toxins like uric acid, heavy metals, body-produced compounds, hormones, and foreign toxins that accidentally enter the bloodstream. Diabetes, a chronic disease affecting blood sugar levels, can lead to complications like slow wound healing and lack of immunity. High blood sugar is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Coriander seeds, extract, and oils can help lower blood sugar levels, promote enzyme activity, and increase insulin release. Coriander oil, rich in antioxidants like terpinine, quercetin, and tocopherols, has been found to have immune-boosting and anti-cancer effects. It can lower inflammation and slow down cancer cell growth in various types. Coriander seed extract also helps combat free radicals, making it a valuable tool for overall health. Coriander oil, known for its stomachic properties, aids in healthy digestion and can help with upset stomach and flatulence. It also aids in fighting food poisoning bacteria by promoting healthy digestion.